Man, I did a video. It was short, 5 seconds. And then I did other videos right after my vlog. Guess what? That first video, when I put it on the computer, couldn't find it. Happened to be on the, you got it, the last video. What happened to the account? I don't know. I cleaned up so good, I can't find my X-Acto blades. So if I order on Amazon, I could get a good deal. But if I go to the 99-cent store, it may just be better off ordering on Amazon than to go to Home Depot or Staples. I got a utility blade, got a sharp blade, but I don't have a razor blade. So I do need to get either a razor blade, find a utility blade, or just get an X-Acto with the handle for the RC hobby that I need it for to make 2, 3 cuts. That's it. They gotta be about 40-45 degree cuts. And that's what you need to do with the elevator and the rudder. I need to make that cut. And I just needed to make a couple of cuts in the slots as well. So it's best that I get an X-Acto blade. Man, all this little stuff, tape, blade, glue, it all adds up if you don't have any. Might as well just go buy a plane already made. At least I know I could get rubber O-rings. That's about it. You can never get box cutters anymore. So why would I think they would sell razor blades or any sort of type of sharp object? But at least I know I could get O-rings where I could use it for a prop saver. And that's another thing I need to go get. Get a different type of propeller on there, 50-30, that will screw on rather than be by a rubber band. Snaps off like that. I'll go dig up the blade, I'll make a stick for it, do little things like this and that. I'll make it work for my needs. Like I said, I'm gonna add all of this up. I could get myself a UMX Turbo Timber Evolution. You know what, if all else fails, I got a nice, good piece of artwork that I could hang in my hangar. And on that note, I'll see you on many other videos to come. I found myself some razor blades. And some of them don't look new. But at least that one looks good. I got my utility knife. I know that's a new blade. I got some new blades inside, so when I'm ready. And yeah, Propeller. I got my nice needle nose, rounded, small one, skinny. I just have all these clamps all over the place. At least I got one to do the job. I can put it right here. Maybe I'll find some other type of clamps. But $2 for a clamp at a 99-cent store. They want to charge $1 for a clamp each. Yeah, I'll make do with what I got. Have a great day, everybody.